Hey again, let me start step by step to do implement for our Pokemon game. So instead I go step by step for create map, create key, and connect with the map and do all that step that I already did it before with find for application for Guardian location. So I will just copy that project and I will continue from that point. So you remember we already created in the previous section project named my current location that find your current location. So I will get a new folder and I will name it this folder Pokemon. Okay, Pokemon. Pokemon. Then I will just Control C. I just copy this project. So make Control C or Command C on the Mac and go back to the folder for Pokemon, this one, and paste it. So now I just have copy from that project. So I will get started. I will open to get started. I will open Android Studio. So let me open Android Studio and waiting for some time until Android Studio get loaded, and I will load this project. So I will just start from this point. It will be easy for me, and I would say it's a little fun for me. Just open existing project and instead doing same step that I do it before. I just don't repeat it and look for Pokemon here. And hopefully this is my Pokemon, this is my project. Open, wait for some time, and he will open the project for me. Here we go, the project is loaded. If you see, I just have only one layout, and if you remember, we have two classes. One of them for map, to show the map for people when the person just runs the application, just request permission or request permission, show pop-up, ask him to get permission to access location. Also he will start a thread to track the location, and he always show your location or your current location on the map, and that is. So now I don't want to show it as a marker. If you see, he used by default, he used the marker by default. I want to use image or the Mario image. So if you see, here we have something named assets, folder named assets, map app. We have this four images. This image is for Pokemon and for Mario. So make sure copy them and go back here and make sure add them in Control V in drawable V. So yes, now I have these four images. Now I want, instead adding just position title, I would just add icon for my image. I think I already have icon for it, but no, I didn't have any icon. So I would add icon now. So to add icon, really easy, just say dot icon and give it specific icon that you would like to give it. Like I think he just already complete for me. No, he just asked me to add the image. I just say bitmap description factory. Then I say dot from resource, because I want to read from resource. I might have the resource, so it should be r dot drawable dot Mario, because I'm looking for Mario. It's just replacing the image. It's not something really interesting. Just show the image. I'm sure now with Android O, when you run it, the project will not run as much because we have some issue and we need to fix that issue for initializing the variable before using it. So let you wait for some time and see what is going on, and if there is no problem, we are okay. If we have problem, we have to do small thing for updating, and we will be all set. So here he asks us for allow this application to access location. I say yes, allow him. Here we go. So the problem here happened because there is new changes happen in Android O, and you need to initialize this variable for location. So when you want to access to location, you have to initialize it here in the my location listener, because there is some delay happen for reading the GPS, while this one he want to access to the GPS and there is no GPS, there is null, so you'll get error. So basically really easy to fix. Just make sure this is you have location, so just hey, my location will be a new location, okay, and this location, give it for example a start point for me, and I would give it for the location, give it set latitude, and make sure from it set latitude, give it 0, so just initialize it. Then what you said, location dot set longitude equals 0. You just initialize it with nothing. I didn't anything, hey, I just added here single quotation, should be double quotation. So now hopefully when I just run it, I will see the person who is the Mario. So wait for a second and let me see what is going on. If there is no problem, that's great. So here is Mario, click on it. So he say marker Cindy. So let me just do some update before we go next, because now we have Mario, not marker Cindy. So the title Mario will be us. So here is my location title, it is me, and you could give it the description if you would like, but it is me, just icon only this one. Also, move camera, I will not use this one, I will just move it much specific way. So I say new longitude with size. I want to move it, for example, for specific location 14. So that's mean, hey, I want to do zoom up for 14, so it just like I see the Mario more clear on the map, and also I see other things. So looking here, clicking it, see here is Mario in the maps, is too much, so just click send location, hopefully he go here, and this is his new location. So there is nothing in the map. Let's go next and try to build or add the Pokemons.